Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Lia. You can call me Amanda. NPN 1441151. Kelas MNC 24DX. Oke, sedikit saya jelaskan. Jadi, hukum bisnis itu adalah seperangkat kaidah hukum yang mengatur segala kegiatan ekonomi, perdagangan, industri, dan keuangan, termasuk pendirian, pengelolaan, hingga pembubaran perusahaan, secara mengatur hak dan kewajiban para pelaku bisnis agar berjalan adil, tertib, dan melindungi semua pihak terkait, dari kontrak perpajakan hingga perlindungan konsumen dan anti monopoli. Tujuannya itu adalah memberikan kepastian hukum dan pedoman perilaku agar bisnis berjalan aman, jujur, dan sesuai koordinator yang berlaku. Okay, next, understanding law and the business law and introduction. Welcome to the intellectually into foundational prevalence of law and its curricular application in the business world. This presentation will detail legal compact and highlight their impact on the daily operation and the strategies decision. Okay, what is the law, foundation, and the purpose? Law is the system of the rules, correct and the efforts by social or governmental intention to regulate behavior. Is step politics, economy, and the social in the conscience-wise. Service and the both, and the social both, and the framework for the individual and the collective active. Is the primary purpose include number 1, maintaining order and stability. Number 2, resoluting and the disputes fiercely. Number 3, protecting rights and the liberties. And the last, facilitating social and the economic development. A legal system. Common law vs civil law. Common law. Organizational is the England common law system really heavily and justly. Prudence case law. The reasons made by hanger, chorus, and the binding on lower counts, fostering consistent and the fresh stability. 1. Starting difference parents. Adversarial system, Duke and the Head law. Civil law, fundamental in the Convents Europa. Civic law system and the basic on the difference status. Comprehensive legal conducts are the primitive solely of the law, with discussion playing a less control role. 1. Legislative conduct. 2. Inquisitorial system, and the last reduces asset. Introduction to business law is the scope and the important. Business law, as law commercial law, is the broad area of the law that goes the formation, operation, and discussion of the business. In the encompasses a wide array of the legal prevalence that impacts various aspects of the company life cycle. What is curricle? Ensure fair practice and the ethical conduct, protects business asset and the interest, manages risks and the liabilities, facilitates smooth transition and the operation, promotes economic growth and the information. Control law essential for the business. Over and the expenses, a clear proposal by one party and the unqualified agreement by another from the basis of an contract. Consideration. Something of the value in checks between parties, making the agreement legal unenforceable. Capacity. Parties must be legal compacts to enter into a contract and the sound meat. Legality. The purposing and the subject matter of the contract must be legal and not against public policies. Understanding contract law is the fundamental for the every business from the simple purpose change agreement to the complex managers is the difference obligation and the definite remedies for the brand change, ensuring the promise are kept. Understanding business entities and the structures. Causing the right legal structure for the your business has significant implications for the liability, taxation, and the management, as NT tips over distress, advantage, and the disadvantage. 1. Sole proprietorship. Owned by the individual, simple to set up, but no liabilities practitioner. Partnership. Two or more owners share profits and liabilities, varying types, general, limited. Corporation. Separate legal entity, limited liability for the owners, complex setup and compliance. Limited liabilities company. Combines liability protection of the corporation with the tax benefit of the partnership. Intellectual property protection your business asset. Intellectual property RAP refers to characteristics of the myth such as the information, literature, and the artist's work. The sign and the symbols, names, and the image used in the compliance protections. AP is the vital for the maintaining a competitive edge and the generation revenue. What? Patents. Protection, infestation, process, and addition. Trademarks. The business names, logos, and the slogan. Copyrights. Process and the original, liarly, and the artist's works. Trade secret. Process and the confidential business information. Ignoring AP protection can lead to significant financial losses and the damage to your brand. Employment law basic for the employers and the employers. Employment law governs the relationship between employers and the employees, conferring everything from the hearing to termination. Adherence to the choice the laws in the entail for a fair workplace and to avoid legal disputes. Number 1. Hiring and recruitment. Ensuring non-discriminatory parentage, proper job descriptions, and the legal background checks. 2. Workplace safety. Preventing a safe environment and adhering to operational healthy and safety regulation. 3. Wages a hard competition with the minimum wage laws, every time rules, and the proper classification of the employer face contradiction. And the last, termination following legal protection for the dismissed lawyers and the ensuring non-discriminatory growth. Okay, regularity, complex, and the business ethics. Business activity, legal arrest. BusinessNet moves the navigation a complex web of the regulation and the upload strong intelligence standard complexities in the not just about avoiding balances, but about building trust and the long-term sustainability. can expect. Number 1. Industry activity regulations. Adhering to rules unique to your sector, finance and healthy care. Number 2. Environmental laws. Managing environmental impacts and the sustainability practices. Number 3. Data privacy. Protecting customer and the employee data. Number 4. Anti-corruption laws. Preventing bribery and unethical business dealings. And the last, corporate social responsibility. Interest and format context into business. K. Takeaways. Navigating the legal landscape for the business successfully. Navigation, the legal and the business law landscape is the curricle for the enterprise. By understanding task or prevalence, business can mitigate risks, size operation, and ensure sustainability and growth. Number 1. Protective legal understanding. Don't wait for the issue. Integrate legal awareness is the strategic planning. Ethical foundation. Build and the culture of the integrity and the complex for the long-term trust and the responsibility. Number 3. Risk mitigation. Individually and address potential legal pitfalls before they become costly and problems. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the evolving laws and the regulation impacts your industry. Oke, jadi di sini saya ingin mengasih contoh sedikit apa sih itu contoh penerapan hukum bisnis. Misalnya di sini ada bidang kontrak atau perjanjian. Contoh kasusnya itu perjanjian jual beli. Nih, jadi sebuah perusahaan tekstil itu menandatangani kontrak dengan supplier kapas. Jika supplier telat mengirim barang, hukum bisnis akan mengatur sanksi dan ganti ruginya. Jadi, kesimpulan dari hukum bisnis, secara garis besar, hukum bisnis itu berfungsi sebagai aturan main dalam dunia ekonomi. Nah, yang pertama yaitu menciptakan kepastian hukum, memberikan perlindungan bagi para pelaku usaha atau produsen maupun pengguna jasa atau konsumen, sehingga masing-masing pihak tahu hak dan kewajibannya. Yang kedua yaitu mewujudkan keadilan, mencegah terjadinya praktik monopoli, penipuan atau persaingan tidak sehat yang dapat merugikan salah satu pihak atau masyarakat luas. Dan yang terakhir yaitu ketiga, menjamin keamanan transaksi. Dengan adanya hukum bisnis, setiap kesepakatan memiliki kekuatan hukum. Jadi, terjadi sengketa, terdapat jalur penyelesaian yang jelas. Business law, as known as the commercial law, is the broad branch of the law that grows business and the commercial transition. It emphasizes a wide array of the legal areas, ensuring fairness, order, and ethical conduct in the marketplace. Regulates commercial contract and the agreements, differences business entities and their responsibilities, protects intellectual property, governs employer-employee relations, ensure consumer rights. Structure for the business. 1. Sole proprietorship. Simple to set up, owned by one individual with no legal jurisdiction between the owner and the business. 2. Partnership. 2 or the more individuals agree to share in the profit of the losses of the business, can be general or limited. Limited liability company over personal liabilities, protection to owner while maintaining flexibility in the structure and the taxation. Oke, itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.